Function ChamToon Cable Technology Company Limited. We are a professional manufacturer located in the renowned manufacturing hub of Foshan, China. We are a national high-tech enterprise with more than a dozen patent certificates. Specialize in designing and producing automotive wiring harnesses, cable assemblies, and waterproof connectors. Our products are widely used in automobiles, UTV, ATVs, motorcycles, RVs, agricultural machinery, marine, and solar cable. ChamToon provides OEM/ODM full package from design to production. Customized services are provided throughout the entire process. Need custom wire harnesses? ChamToon delivers flexible, stress-free solution. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you.